New numbers show that just how many kids are in need of mental health support in Palm Beach County schools. Records reveal more than 20,000 students received services last school year. As WPTV education reporter Stephanie Susskind shows you, school psychologists say it's both a sign of the times and a sign that students are getting the help they need.
This right here is one of the most important doors at Dwyer High School. Students know when this magnet is up, Miss Avalon, their school psychologist, is in her office and ready to talk to them about whatever they need. These Spirit Club students are working on posters for the next Dwyer High sporting event. The club makes sure no student goes to a game alone.
I think school's very stressful. There's a lot of things going on at high schools. And I think anything that you can do to promote resiliency and that social impact and just make it's that power of connection is just really important.
School psychologist Adrienne Avalon is all about that power of connection in her nearly 30-year career at Palm Beach County schools.
And so it's really about just identifying strategies and tools and how to really make sure that their self-esteem improves and that they start feeling that connection.
She's watched her field grow over time with full mental health teams now on school campuses. The district is serving tens of thousands of students with counseling sessions and more.
I think mental health has always been kind of an issue, but I think we're able to help support them now. And I think that's what's really important now. Not so much that it's a crisis as much as we're actually able to have trained professionals on campus that can provide that support. And that's what makes me very happy.
Whenever I had an issue or something that I needed to talk about, I would come here, and it would be like a safe space to go to.
The students Avalon sees tell me they find peace in her office and comfort knowing she's there.
If we see somebody by themselves or we see somebody going through things, she's one of the #1 people that we know we can count on to talk to them, to make sure that they're okay, to do wellness checks and things like that.
It's part of what earned her the prestigious Florida School Psychologist of the Year award just weeks ago.
What can I say? Miss Avalon is truly one of Dwyer's difference makers.
Principal Corey Brooks says student well-being is a big focus on his campus.
Kids oftentimes don't get to show how smart they are because they're not in a good place. So here at Dwyer, we focus on the entire child.
Avalon's main message to her kids: find glitter in every day, no matter how challenging.
If you get glitter on you, what happens? It stays.
Right.
It's very hard to get off, and it's very easy to spread. And so everything you go through in a day, find your little moments of glitter, find your little happiness of glitter. And I think if you can do that, I think every day glitter will spread even more.
She may just be the glitter for them. Stephanie Susskind, WPTV News Channel 5.
And numbers from the Palm Beach County School District help show more perspective on this issue. The school district tells us 113 students were transported last school year for involuntary mental health evaluations. They were taken to HCA Florida JFK North Hospital in West Palm Beach. The school district also looked into students who may be at risk for suicide and found the 3 most common reasons. Family complications were listed most often, followed by depression and then by low self-esteem. And we want to remind every parent and student that there are free resources available if you or someone you know is struggling with mental health. The Palm Beach County School District has its own website, Caring First. You can access a wide range of resources. The website, palmbeachschools.org/caringfirst. You can also reach out to the helpline 211, which provides confidential help 24/7.